Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to pair your GoPro Mission 1 with the GoPro Quik app. This video is for those that already have their camera set up, so the camera has been used before. If you haven't used your camera yet, if it's new, it will require a firmware update, and there's a video about it. You can find a video on how to connect and set up the GoPro GoPro Mission 1. And that video explains how to do it for the first time. But now I'll show you in Quik how to do it. So with the GoPro Quik app that you can download off of App Store on iPhones or Google Play on Android phones, you can now find this page in the GoPro section. Then select connect a GoPro. I'll need to turn on Bluetooth. Now let's click on connect a GoPro, and I will need to turn my device on. Yeah, then it may require me to select which kind of camera I have. Now select my camera is on, then swipe down, then go here and select connect a device. Now click on connect, and as you can see it's found. Click on connect, and then it'll start pairing. Now I will need to click on pair on my phone and soon it will be connected. Yes. Now I can rename the GoPro if I like. Then I can save the name. I can subscribe to a paid service, auto upload, which automatically uploads stuff, but I'll do this later. You can enable notifications or not. Then click on let's go, and as you can see, there it is. Now the camera is connected, so I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.